Good evening, this is Jan. It's time for another request video. And this is a request from Aetoxyn. I hope I pronounce your name right. If not, then please let me know. So I'll translate this. Could you please review the ready meals from the Ping and Klaar from the brand of Iglo, or a flavor test between different microwave meals? Ping and ready, that's like music in my ears, so that's what it's gonna be. Here it is. I chose the hamburger with vegetables and potato balls, whatever that is. I'm curious. And this is what it looks like out of the package. And ready. And this is what it looks like out of the microwave, ready to be enjoyed. I got my knife, I got my fork, I'm ready for this. I'll start with the hamburger. Yeah. That is meaty. That is like what they say in the package, 100% beef. That's cool. Beans. Green beans, I like green beans a lot. So here we got these potato balls. Yeah, they are tasty. That's for sure. Well, typical potato flavor. It's not the best burger that I ever tasted, of course, but it's quite okay, yeah. I mean, for a burger in a ready meal, yeah. The tomato is nice. Tomato has got a lot of flavor. I really like these potato balls. I think they make them from mashed potato. And they make a ball from this. Yeah. And they taste like potato croquettes. Yeah, that's what it is. Potato croquettes, only in a different shape. This is quite a decent ready meal, because I know that this brand Iglo, they got good quality products, you know. Thank you Aetoxyn for the idea of this Ping and Klaar ready meal. I liked it, yeah, and I'm definitely gonna try some more meals from the brand. So Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep enjoying your food like I do.